That's so cool. Finally changing the exhaust on this thing. You guys may have heard of him, Hellfire Fabrication. He's doing the exhaust on this. So he's been doing a lot of exhaust work. He does GR86. He's done a Miata before, his own AE86, first gen BRZ86. Pretty much the same chassis, honestly. So I'm excited to see what it sounds like. Bigger motor, a little deeper. It's not much. We have an hour drive right now, so I'm gonna get going and I'll talk more later about the exhaust. That's so cool.
The springs on here is that it allows for a little bit of pivot while maintaining a seal.
Oh, okay.
So it can flex it. And so I got one of these replaced with it.
I see.
Yeah, so it'll still have that function.
Oh, I don't know what I need.
86, AE86, FK.
I'm on that interstate, nearly caught with that traffic and spent a check on these
I love this thing. It sounds aggressive on startup. Let me yap when I drive because this UPS truck's about to. Sorry. Oh, it sounds so good. My coworkers love it. The cold starts are brutal, but only for 30 seconds. So once you get past that, you'll be all right. Plus, I don't go to work at 5 a.m. anymore. So when I start up my car, everyone's pretty much awake at that point. Obviously. So obviously that motor is completely different from the FA, and the sound's different. It droned a lot. My favorite part about this exhaust is when I'm cruising, I can talk to whoever. The drone isn't that bad, but it gets loud when you get on it. Been sitting all night, so I'm a little nervous because everyone's still asleep. We'll give it a shot.
My hair blue. Yes, I. People think I'm really, really cool. Bust